Greetings everyone, SYG Tech is here. So if you have the DJI Mic Mini or Mic 2, Mic 3, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair them to your Action 6 or Action 5. And the cool part is that we're going to pair separate microphones to both cameras. So yeah, I think it's going to be pretty cool. Now probably you're asking why I want to do that. So if you have the Action 6 and Action 5, so if you want to record some videos with Action 6, just grab the microphone that's being connected to the Action 6, and you know that they're linked, so you record basically. If you want to do the same with Action 5, do the same thing. So I'll show you the process how to do that. So let's start with the Action 6. What you have to do is turn the camera on. As you can see, the camera is on. And now let's grab the microphone. So if the microphone is off, the microphone is on, as you can see. So it's see the blue color. You have to press the link button. But if the microphone is off, just hold the on and off button and then press the link button for a couple of seconds until you see blue and green light flashing. As you can see, now it's in the pairing mode. Now grab your camera and then scroll down, go to the settings, and you'll see, I don't know if you can see on the camera, you'll see wireless mic. Let's choose transmitter 2. And now you'll see in a second that the microphone will be paired now. We got the message. As you can see, it says the microphone is connected. So we're gonna confirm. And as you can see, the light and the meter. Let's go back now. And as you can see, the microphone is being attached now. So if any point I decide to record now, I just grab the microphone, and we're gonna do the same with the Action 5 now. Let's do the same. So let's turn the camera on. So the camera is on. And let's grab the second microphone. As you can see, it's on. Let's press the linking button again until flashes blue and green. And now this is done. Let's go to the menu, scroll down, settings, wireless mic. Let's choose transmitter 1. We're gonna wait a couple of seconds. And now, as you can see, the Action 5 is being paired with the microphone, confirm, and the same thing, which is pretty cool. And the other cool thing is that let's switch. Actually, let's put the microphones in the case. Bam. And now let's switch off the cameras. Okay, so both cameras are off. And let's say you want to record some videos, you want to do some cool stuff. Let's grab the Action 6, turn the camera on, and as you can see, the camera is on. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna grab our microphone. And as you can see, because we already connected the microphone to the Action 6, automatically pairs. You don't have to do nothing, which is pretty cool. Let's do the same with the Action 5. Let's turn the Action 5 on. Let's grab the microphone. Wait a couple of seconds, and now the Action 5 is being connected. So this is pretty cool if you want to record with Action 5 separately. And I think it's a great idea because you have two microphones, two cameras. You can do some podcasts, you can do some different production. So this is going to give you idea how to do that. So there we have it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Now you know how to connect the Osmo audio with your Action 5 or Action 6. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and see you next video.